Yo, what's up, Chopper Gang? I'm back at it with another vlog. We going back to back because we got a lot of stuff to do to the EG Coupe, the green one. If you guys are new to the channel, I own a 96 Honda Civic hatchback. I'll show you in a second. B-Series turbo with about 700 horsepower to the wheels. And I also have a 95 Honda Civic EG EJ1, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it an EG Coupe. So I'm actually working on that today. This is for whoever's new to the channel and haven't been up to date with all my videos. But let me show you Big Red here, and let me show you what we're about to do to the coupe today. A lot of you guys seen this car already, but this is for whoever's new. And here's the nice part right here. Huh? What do you guys think, huh? I know I got a lot of new subscribers, so I want to put everybody up to date and let you guys see the car. I also got my boy's STI here. That he's actually the one that helps me out with doing the mechanic work on my cars. So let me just finish showing you here. There you go. So here we got my man Franfu right here. Franfu, what do you want to tell people? Say hi to my people, man.
Hi.
Hi. So this is what we're doing today. We're going to change the intake manifold with the throttle body. I got a Skunk 2 intake manifold with a 70mm throttle body. So let me show you guys the manifold right now. And I'm sorry, I got a mess here. I need to take one day to clean all this up, but I also got a Banshee here, 87 Yamaha Banshee. I got all the parts to put this together. This is gonna be like a different playlist for you guys, cause I'm also into bikes and stuff like that. So this is an 87 Yamaha Banshee, first year produced. So I'll be powder coating all of this and putting this bike together on the channel also little by little. But let me show you guys the intake manifold. So this is what we got here. Got a thermal gasket, and here's the manifold. With there's a Skunk 2 Pro Series and a 70mm Skunk 2 throttle body. If you guys go back, I have a video where I actually ported the inside and to match the throttle body. And I actually showed everybody this intake manifold before, but for whoever's new, this is what we're putting on today. So without further ado, y'all know how I go. I'm gonna hit y'all with the B-roll right now. See y'all in a little bit. I'm back over here. It's now the next day. Yesterday got a little dark, so I couldn't finish the video up for you guys. Let me flip the camera around and show you guys the coupe and show you guys how the intake came out and the throttle body and everything I did. So let me flip it around. We over here. We're about to jump on the highway for a little bit. We're about to test out the intake and see how it feels. Let me crank it up for you guys. My speedometer is actually damaged, so it's actually a good thing for the video, so we can't see the speed. We can have a little bit of fun. Check engine light is on because when I did the header, I took off the O2 sensors. I'll be installing a wideband for when we tune the car. But let me open the hood, show you guys. Here it is. What do you guys think? I put the intake air temperature. I got a fuel rail and injectors, but I didn't want to put it on yet because we're gonna do that in another video, along with the fuel pump, the fuel line, and the fuel rail. But I just wanted to put the intake on with the factory injectors, factory fuel system. Don't mind this red coupler, that's all I had. I actually ordered a black one, I should be getting it soon. And Also, I eliminated the PCV. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Right there. I eliminated the PCV valve system, and I actually put a fitting there for a catch can. And that's another thing I'm waiting for, the catch can to come in. So I actually put a fitting with like a plug on it just so it won't spit no oil out of there. It's running good. It woke this motor up by a lot, man. I can't even lie. I feel like a different car. But it drives good. Let me get you guys another angle. I bought some like vacuum block off for this here, since I'm not using the PCV system anymore. And a lot of these ports are not necessary. The only port I'm using is the one for the fuel pressure regulator, the vacuum for the fuel pressure regulator. So, and brake. I gotta tighten these holes when I get a chance. But the IAC is working perfectly. Throttle body's working 100%. That's it, basically. I'm about to take you guys on a ride, and let's see how it feels on the road. This time, instead of the regular street, we're gonna jump on the highway for a little spin. I'll be right back with you in a little bit. Jump on the highway and see how it feels. The intake on the highway. On the street, it feels amazing. You can notice like the response. The response is right there. I mean, as many of y'all know, these little motors don't got that much power, but you definitely feel the throttle response from it. Hopefully, there's not a lot of traffic. You guys can hear the exhaust. I love the way the exhaust sounds. It got like this. It's deep, but it's not like obnoxious, the exhaust, so it's actually perfect. Thing I noticed with these singles, first and second gear is long as hell. These gears last forever. It feels so much better. It feels so solid. Like even when I press the gas, I don't know if you guys can pick that up on video, but you see how quick the response is? It's like instant. Alright, y'all, so I'll be ending this video here. If you stuck around to this part of the video, I appreciate you 100% for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on all my vlogs. And if you're new and you're a new subscriber and you just ran into my channel, make sure you go back to the previous vlogs and catch up and see everything, you know, that's been going on to build up to here. So I'll have more vlogs going on. More stuff to do on the EG Coupe. I got some suspension vlogs coming up. I got some fuel system vlogs coming up. Nitrous vlog coming up. I need you guys to share my videos more, you know. You guys been doing a great job at liking, commenting, and I love y'all for that. But we need to pick this up more so we all can win. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I love every single one of y'all. It's Chopper out of here. See ya.